how to send pictures and videos on the Zangi Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Right now I'm inside the Zangi window right here. And if you want to go ahead and send videos or pictures on someone else on the Zangi Messenger, it is extremely simple. First things first, you need to go ahead and have someone or have a contact here on Zangi. So you can just go ahead and click on the pencil icon right here, click on add contact, and from there you can then go ahead and message that specific contact. In my case, I'll just go ahead and use myself right here as an example. And once inside, the only thing that you need to do is to simply click on the camera button. Click on continue, click on allow, and from there we will be able to use our camera or take a picture in order to send video or picture to our Zangi application. Or you simply want to click on this button right here, then it will take you to your own gallery on which you can then go ahead and select the pictures and videos that you want to go ahead and send. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.